So Tracy, here's I think four things. Number one, wear your logo hat. That this is a buddy of mine's brewery. I've got a joelarge.com, but I couldn't find it, so I put this on. So I have something, and also like your sign, who you're working for, whatever, in the background when you're doing your video. The other thing is Screencast-o-Matic, and I'll put it in the description. This is what makes this, and you can go from just doing a web to a web and a computer screen. You may have looked at it, but it's really handy for me, and it's real easy to work, which is. And then finally, this I really enjoyed this book. I've recommended it to some of my friends and some of my clients. Never Split the Difference. It's not very big, but it's got a lot of actionable material in there, especially the thing on mirroring and empathy and labeling. And I'm still real beginner at it, but I've really found it to be pretty powerful in what it can do. So those are my tips for the day. I also sent you some other stuff. So have a great week, and we'll talk soon. Take care.